Factor completely, you may use upper and lower bounds, Descartes' rule of sign, factoring, and graphing. By Mackenzie, Danielle, Anna, Andrea, and Kimberly. Here's your given equation. The f of x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4x minus 12. Our first step is to figure out the upper bound, and by trial and error, we determined that the upper bound is 2. The next step in the problem is to find the lower bound, and by starting at 0 and going down, we determined the lower bound is negative 4. The next step is to factor the equation. We're going to first start off by running all the k over a's, which are the factors of the constant term over the leading coefficient. We plugged in the possible rational roots into our calculator and determined that the first root is positive 2, and we solved that through synthetic division. After finding 2 as a root, we rewrote the equation with the factor, and we can factor the new quadratic into x plus 2 and x plus 3, and therefore we get the roots of positive and negative 2 and negative 3. And finally, we graph the equation. We start off by plotting the points negative 3, negative 2, positive 2, and then on the y-axis negative 12, because if you look at the equation, negative 12 is obviously the y-intercept. And we connected the dots and got our graph.